Model, 2014 Mercedes-Benz CITAN long diesel 109 CDI van long MOT spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 154362. MOT, 14 February 2025. Engine, 1461 CCOM 607 DE15 LA90 HP. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Gearbox needs replacing, clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is below average. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.